Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, did you know you can add money to Amazon without buying a gift card? Since Amazon lets you reload your gift card balance directly. It's faster, cleaner, and great for budgeting. So if you shop on Amazon a lot, this is a must-know feature. So here is how to reload your gift card balance in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Amazon.com or use the Amazon Shopping app if you are on Android or iOS. So, tap on the link, go all the way, use your email address and password to access your account, then tap here on Accounts and Lists. You have multiple options including addresses, payments, your list, your orders. Go all the way to gift cards here, under Prime. Then tap on Reload Your Balance. So this will take you automatically to a new window where you usually just reload the amount you want. So let's say you want 50, tap 50. You can pick one-time reload or low balance auto reload if you want to. Scheduled auto reload, you can do this also like whatever you want. Then tap on Buy Now. They're gonna tell you the delivery under 1 hour, so you would know. So as I told you before, you can enable the auto reload to keep your balance topped up. Reloaded balances are non-refundable, so keep it in mind. You can use this to limit spending by avoiding direct card payments, which is good. And that's how you reload your Amazon gift card balance, perfect for controlling spending or even faster checkout. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.